Understanding flare-up alerts in pain management apps.
Flare-up alerts help users proactively manage chronic pain by notifying them when symptoms may worsen. These alerts can be based on trends in daily pain levels or specific triggers like weather changes, activity, or medication timing. Customizing these alerts ensures you receive timely reminders tailored to your unique pain patterns, improving your ability to respond before a flare-up intensifies.
Locating alert settings in your app.
Most pain management apps include an alert or notifications section within their settings menu. Here, you can access and adjust the types of flare-up and pain notifications you receive. Explore options such as frequency, alert tones, and thresholds for triggering notifications, so the reminders fit your needs and do not become overwhelming or disruptive.
Customizing triggers and thresholds.
To make alerts meaningful, adjust triggers and thresholds. For example, set alerts to notify you if pain levels rise above a certain number for several days, or if specific symptoms like swelling or fatigue are logged repeatedly. Adjusting these settings ensures alerts are relevant, helping you catch early signs of flare-ups and act quickly.
Personalizing reminders for self-care.
Many apps let you schedule personalized reminders for self-care activities like stretching or taking medication. You can align these reminders with your daily routine or known triggers. Custom reminders encourage consistency with pain management strategies, making it easier to stay proactive and potentially prevent or reduce the severity of future flare-ups.
Reviewing and adjusting alert preferences.
Your pain and lifestyle may change over time, so it's important to regularly review and update your alert preferences. Check in monthly or after any pattern changes in your condition. Adjusting your settings ensures ongoing relevance and ensures the app continues to support you in your proactive pain management journey.